Hey guys, welcome back to Home Academy, and today we're going to be learning about solving quadratic equations. I'm going to be showing you three methods for three different scenarios. The first one is where the quadratic equation is in a format where it's x squared plus bx plus c. So an example would be x squared minus 16x plus 48 is equal to 0. And basically, what you want to do here first is find the factors that multiply to c, which is 48, and add to b, which is minus 16. And this is basically trial and error. And what you would get here is minus 4 and minus 12, which multiplies to 48 and adds to minus 16. And then the second step would be placing these factors into the binomials, so x minus 4 and x minus 12, and then check that this expands into the same expression. And then to actually solve it, you have to use the zero product property. So x minus 4 is equal to 0, and x minus 12 is equal to 0. And then basically what you do here is finally solve for x. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to 12. The second method is where the format of the equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. An example here would be 2x squared plus 7x minus 9 is equal to 0. And so the first step here would be to multiply a, 2, which is 2, and c together, which is minus 9. So you multiply these together to get minus 18. And then next, you have to find the factors of the product that add to b. So here it would be, here it is again trial and error, and it would be 9 and 2, because 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And then after that, you want to use grouping. Um, and basically what you do here is you split the b term up into the two values you just found. So it's 2x squared plus 9x minus 2x minus 9. And then you want to reorder this so you can easily factorize it later. So you reorder it into 2x squared minus 2x plus 9 minus 9. And then, so because the first two terms have the common factor of 2x, you factor that one out. And then the last two terms have the common factor of 9, so you factor that term out as well. And then you finally get the binomials of 2x plus 9 times x minus 1. And then to finally solve it, you have to use zero product property. So here you get 2x plus 9 is equal to 0, and x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then you solve for x. You finally solve for x using these equations. And you get x is equal to minus 9 over 2, and x is equal to 1. But these two methods only work for when the x solutions are rational. And so we have a simple method, solution for this, which is the quadratic formula. And um, what you do here, no matter whether a is equal to 1 or any other number, it just has to be positive. A has to be positive. Um, all you have to do here is substitute the values into this formula. And so here we have an example. 6x squared minus 17x plus 12 is equal to 0. And so a here would be 6, b here would be minus 17, and then c here would be 12. And basically, you just substitute the values into this formula, and you would get minus 4 over 3 and minus 3 over 2. You get two values here because uh, you can first try out the plus and then minus to get the second value. So that's basically it for solving quadratic equations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.